Hi there, it's John from Redacre, and in this video I'm going to show you how to translate an infographic file from English into Urdu. So this is the English file and this is the Urdu file. We just pull it into the app. As you can see, it's put in boxes around the text. So there's all these black boxes around any areas which it recognizes as text. I've just dragged my mouse over these areas because we don't need to translate these. So I'll just deselect those for translation. I also won't translate this Made in Britain logo here, but I will translate these main points. We click Confirm. So the app integrates with either Google Translate or Human Translation. For Human Translation, we have hundreds of native speaking professional translators standing by, ready to translate your image into any language you want. You can also use Google Translate if you just want a quick option. It's not as accurate as the human version, but it is quick. In this case, I'm going to be translating the image into Urdu, so I just select it from the list here. When I'm happy, I click Translate and then Confirm. You can see the text has been removed here and it's looking quite clean, so we don't need to tidy anything up. We just click Next. You can see that Urdu has been pulled into the image, and then we can compare with the original. You can see that the original is a bit bigger, so I'm just going to make this font a little bit bigger. So let's make it something like 70. We'll make it bold as well to make it stand out a bit more. It's still a bit small compared to the original, so I'll increase it to 80, and that's looking a bit better now. Okay, I'm happy with that, so I just export the image and download it to my computer. Get started with 5 free credits. Visit redacre.co.